AX system includes all welding processes what we have.
These traditional processes which are present on the market for years already also are implemented, but KMP also developed some special processes. So there are two families of these special processes from KMP. One of them is WISE processes, the second one, the new one, are MAX processes. So this whole package practically covers all the needs from the market.
WISE and MAX family processes. They are made for special needs to reduce battering, for example, more speed, or position welding without weaving, like a MAX position process. Usually when you weld vertical welds, you have to weave with the robot arm. Change like going up and weaving at the same time, but with the MAX process you can do it straight, and also you can do the welding on the wall, for example, in very difficult positions also without weaving functionalities. And MAX speed processes gives better penetration with a higher welding speed. So MAX and WISE processes give better productivity and some better quality, and the combination of those.
The welding must following what is going on the market with the steel. So because of that we have to develop the process which are now useful for new materials, also and new type of designs of the products.